Open source intelligence, or OSINT, refers to the process of gathering and analyzing publicly accessible information. It involves systematically searching, collecting, and interpreting data that is freely available to identify patterns, uncover hidden insights, and support decision-making. OSINT is widely used in fields such as cybersecurity, law enforcement, and business intelligence, providing valuable information without needing access to restricted or classified sources. So, what exactly is the OSINT framework? It's an organized collection of free resources and tools that help investigators gather open-source intelligence efficiently. Let's say you're investigating a specific username. Simply expand the username category in the OSINT framework, and it will display a list of relevant tools. One such tool is called What's My Name? You just type the username into the search bar, and it will show you any social media accounts or websites where that username is registered. It's an efficient way to track down accounts across multiple platforms. Now, if you have information like a name, address, or phone number, you can use a website called That's Them. This tool allows you to search for someone using their name, address, phone number, email, IP address, or even their vehicle's VIN number. For example, if I enter a name into the search bar, within seconds, it provides results including that person's address, phone number, and other available details. It's a powerful way to gather information, but remember to use it responsibly. If you're looking to research domain names, the OSINT framework provides a variety of tools to help with that. One of them is viewdns.info. This tool offers several useful features for investigating domains. For instance, you can perform a reverse IP lookup to see other domains hosted on the same server, check the IP history of a website, generate detailed DNS reports, and much more. It's a powerful tool for gathering domain-related data efficiently. Using geolocation tools, you can pinpoint the location of an IP address. One tool I use for this is IP to location. Simply enter the IP address and hit search. It will provide you with the coordinates and other location details of that IP address, helping you trace its geographical origin. Another useful tool is the Cyber Threat Live Map. With this tool, you can watch various types of live cyber attacks happening in real time around the world. It gives you an interactive view of ongoing threats, showing the source and target locations of these attacks. You can also use images to uncover important details such as location and metadata. One of the best tools for this is ImageOps. With this tool, you can upload a photo, and it will extract valuable information like the camera model used to take the picture, the location where it was taken, and other embedded metadata. This makes ImageOps a great resource for investigating images and tracing their origins. There are several tools available for analyzing webcams and CCTV feeds. One of them is EarthCam, which provides access to live feeds from surveillance and security cameras across various locations worldwide. You can explore public spaces, landmarks, and tourist attractions in real time, offering a fascinating look at different cities and events through these live cameras. Another powerful tool is Instacam, which is known as the world's largest directory of online cameras. It offers a vast collection of live streams from traffic cams, office spaces, parking lots, beaches, streets, and even private areas. You can watch live footage from various locations around the globe, making it a go-to resource for online surveillance. There are several automation tools available for OSINT that streamline the process of gathering and analyzing data. Some of the top OSINT automation tools include Datasploit, Photon, Spiderfoot, and Shodan. One of the most powerful tools in OSINT automation is Shodan. Often called the search engine for the Internet of Things, Shodan scans the Internet for devices connected to it, ranging from webcams and servers to traffic lights and industrial control systems. With Shodan, you can discover vulnerable devices, open ports, and security issues by simply searching for IP addresses, services, or devices. It's widely used in cybersecurity to monitor networks and identify potential risks in connected systems. And that wraps up our overview of open source intelligence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. See you in the next one. And remember, stay curious and stay safe online.